Hello friends, welcome to Live Channel. For employment news, please subscribe our channel. Join Indian Coast Guard, Ministry of Defence as Navig General Duty, Navig Domestic Branch and Yantrik 02-2021 batch. Applications will be accepted online from 5th January 2021 to 19th January 2021. Eligibility conditions. Online applications are invited from male Indian citizens. Educational qualification Navig General Duty 10 plus 2 passed with Maths and Physics. Navig Domestic Branch 10th class passed from an education board. Yantrik 10th class passed and Diploma in Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, Telecommunication, Radio, Power Engineering. Age minimum 18 years and maximum 22 years. Number of vacancies Navig General Duty, total number of posts 260. Navig Domestic Branch, total number of posts 50. Yantrik Mechanical, total number of posts 31. Yantrik Electrical, total number of posts 7. Yantrik Electronics, total number of posts 10. Selection procedure Selection of recruits is based on All India Order of Merit in their performance in stage 1, 2, 3, 4. In stage 1, written examination, Navig Domestic Branch, Section 1, passing marks 30 for unreserved EWS OBC category, 27 marks for SC/ST category. Navig General Duty consists of Section 1 and 2, passing marks 50, unreserved EWS OBC category, 44 marks for SC/ST category. Passing in Section 1 and 2 separately is compulsory. Yantrik Electrical, written examination consists of Section 1 and 3 and passing marks 50 for unreserved EWS OBC category, 44 marks SC/ST category. Passing in Section 1 and 3 separately is compulsory. Yantrik Electronics, written examination is consists of Section 1 and 4, passing marks 50, unreserved EWS OBC category and 44 marks for SC/ST category. Passing in Section 1 and 4 separately is compulsory. Yantrik Mechanical, written examination consists of Section 1 and 5, passing marks 50 for unreserved EWS OBC category and 44 marks for SC/ST category. Passing in Section 1 and 5 separately is compulsory. And details of various sections of written exam are as follows. Section 1 consists of maximum mark 60, total time duration 45 minutes and total number of questions 60 marks. Subject wise max 20, science 10, English 15, reasoning 10, GK 5. Passing marks 30, unreserved EWS OBC category and 27 for SC/ST category. Syllabus 10th class. Section 2 maximum marks 50, time duration 30 and total number of questions 50. Subject wise max 25, physics 25 marks and passing marks 20 for unreserved EWS OBC category, 17 marks for SC/ST category. Syllabus 12th class max physics. Section 3 maximum marks 50, time duration 30 and total number of marks 50. Subjects electrical engineering, passing marks 20 for unreserved EWS OBC category and 17 marks for SC/ST category. Syllabus diploma level electrical engineering. Section 4 maximum marks 50 marks, time duration 30 minutes, total number of questions 50. Subjects electronic engineering, 20 marks passing marks for unreserved EWS OBC category and 17 marks for SC/ST category. Diploma level electronics engineering. Section 5 maximum marks 50 marks, time duration 30 minutes, total number of questions 50. Subjects mechanical engineering, passing marks 20 for unreserved EWS OBC category and 17 marks for SC/ST category. Syllabus diploma level mechanical engineering. Stage 2 based on the performance of computer based online examination, a merit list will be prepared and e-admit card for stage 2 will be issued as per the vacancies available and the ratio decided by ICG. The duration of stage 2 will be from 1 to 2 days. Stage 2 involves following tests which are qualifying in nature, either pass or fail. Stage 2 consists of physical fitness test, documentation verification, reassessment of inconsistent performers, initial medical examination. In physical fitness test, the candidates will undergo PFT, will do so as they are at own risk, and PFT consists of 1.6 kilometer run to be completed in 7 minutes, 20 squat ups, 10 push ups, and all the three PFTs are to be carried out continuously without any break. Any break in the three tests will lead to failing of the PFT. Document verification, reassessment of inconsistent performers, initial medical examination. And stage 3 consists of documentation verification, final medical at INS Chilka, submission of original document, police verification and other associated forms. Stage 4, the candidates are to be submit all the original documents and verification of all original documents through board, university, state government will be carried out by Indian Coast Guard. Candidates will be terminated from the service if the documents are reported as not genuine by the respective boards, universities, state government. How to apply? Application will be accepted online only from 5th January to 19th January. Candidates have to log on to https://joinindiancoastguard.cdac.in and follow the instructions for registering yourself with email ID, mobile number. The candidates are to ensure validity of email and mobile number at least up to 31st December 2021. The candidates can apply for only one post, that is either NAVIC domestic branch or NAVIC general duty or Yantrik mechanical or Yantrik electrical or Yantrik electronics in one cycle. Documents to be uploaded in application. Compulsory documents to be uploaded by all candidates during the online application. Please go through the list of documents. The date of issue of all uploaded documents has to be 19th January 2021 or any date prior to 19th January 2021, and the validity of all the documents has to be at least up to 31st October 2021 during the document verification. Examination fee. Candidates are requested to pay a fee of Rs 250 through online mode using net banking or using Visa MasterCard. Admit card will be issued for examination only to those candidates who have successfully paid the examination fee and who are entitled for waiver of examination fee. Tentative schedule for examination and downloading e-admit card are as follows. General General duty NAVIC mid or end of March 2021 for stage 1 and end of April or early May 2021 for stage 2 and stage 3 and 4 early August 2021. Similarly, NAVIC domestic branch Yantrik mid or end of March 2021 for stage 1 and end April or early May 2021 for stage 2 and stage 3 and 4 early October 2021 and early August 2021 respectively. Please go through the list of documents required at each stage. Medical standards, training. The basic training for NAVIC General Duty and Yantrik will be commenced in August 2021 and NAVIC Domestic Branch in October 2021. Please go through the general guidelines. Pay for NAVIC General Duty, basic pay is 21,700. NAVIC Domestic Branch 21,700. Yantrik basic pay 29,200. Candidates are requested to go through the website. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.